Okay, we're ready to go. It's top of the morning to you. It's Saturday. Mark Hess has come out with an offer called Side Hustler. So you know what a side hustle is. It's making money on the side. It's making money online. In this case, it's making money with AI, artificial intelligence. You can see the price. I'm down at the end of the page, $8.58. So we're not asking for a couple hundred, $500 to get you started in your $1 million venture. This is something that can add monthly money, add daily money to your income, and you're going to be absolutely blown away by what he's got. So first off, if you're interested in this, click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can click the product box that's at the top or the link that's at the bottom, and it'll take you to the page we're on right here. There's a list of all the different side hustles, and then a link. That's really all it is. 857, now it's up to 858, and I'm going to go in here. You're at the end of it all. I'm going to scream up to the top. Get ready. Woo! Here we go. Okay, so this is the beginning. This is kind of like his video, but it shows you the software. So if you can copy and paste, you're ready to go with this. It's done with artificial intelligence. This has a huge long thing, and I'm going to scream past this part too, but here is the actual software. So you can see, let's just show you one or two of these side hustles you can run from your phone, and then read more, copy, blah, blah, blah. Low effort, high profit. So they have different categories. One person side hustles to scale without followers, skill free. There's a whole bunch of different, there's like 48 different categories. And I'm going to scroll down again. So get ready for this. Woo, down to the bottom. Here we go. So here we have it all. So there's 48 different ways. Again, this is click to the link, go to my site, click the product box. You're on this page. You can read through all these different types of side hustles that are in there. There's 48 different ones, tons of different methods. You can watch the video. Should we even let him talk a bit? Let's click to play and turn this up. Nope, I don't have the sound on. Where is that? There.
This is how you find side hustles today. Not tomorrow, not next week. You don't need creativity. You don't need skills. You don't need time, tech, or confidence. You don't need expertise. You don't need an audience. You need nothing. What you need is
the software that he's included. So that's him talking. You can click the link, come to my site, click the product box, and you're on this page. You can watch the video. Fresh out today. I don't know how it's $8.58, but it's starting out at that right now. And 48 different ways you can make money. It's done with AI, all with free AI. So it's not like you have to spend money on anything. Go check this out. Click the link. It's called Side Hustler from Mark Hess, who does fantastic internet marketing apps and software and things like that. AI. This is right up his alley. Click the link. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link and go check out Side Hustler. Enjoy. #1 product today.